Okay, now we're ready to put our flowers between our rings at the joins. I have kind of fat fingers, so I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to help me out. If you can get in there, by all means, use your fingers. You don't need tweezers. Just put a little bit of icing on the back here. Don't squeeze it too hard or you break it. Just place it in there. The icing grabs. And then we are going to have to get our tip in there to make the leaf here. And again, you can do the leaves ahead of time and then just place the flower on top, which I might try. Here. There we go. If you're good, you can just go ahead and just do the leaf this way and then place the flower on top. Either way works. You're just going to make sure that the leaf shows. You can always go back though. If it doesn't pop out enough, you can just go back and give it an extra little pop. Okay. At this point, we need to build the cage around our flowers. And what Joseph Lambeth did is he piped strings along these, and he did 32 of them, at least 32 of them, in lines all the way around the cake, from the back all the way around to the front. He would have 32 strings. I'm not that much of a glutton for punishment, so I'm only doing 8. We're going to start at the top. He suggests that you do like a quarter of the cake at the time, and you start from the top and go to the back and then to the front. So that's what we're going to do. You want to keep these nice and even, and what we're going to do is want to make sure you touch each ring, but you don't have to start and stop at each ring. Just touch it, and stay in the center. Okay, so I'm just going to do those first 5. Okay, and then evenly spaced. Again, I'm just going to do probably 4 down the back and 4 down the front, or maybe just somehow to end up with 8. So I'm just going to give it a nice touch. Keep these evenly spaced. And then, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to touch. And don't worry if they sag a little, because they will. And I think I can get one more back there. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and do the front. Oops. Again, keeping evenly spaced. Okay, we want to go ahead and continue this around. So again, starting in the middle, you want to keep these nice and even. And you want to make sure that when you continue on, these strings are right where the other ones left off. They should be right across from each other.